Words, they can make you or break you. My words weren't always good to my soul. It spoke lies and it began to deceive me. Doubt crept in and I became unsettled, just like the wind, drifting. Until one day I ran into my Creator. He started to change the negative self-talk, harmful words that was poisoning my soul. He made me start to believe not only in Him, but also in myself again. That all things are possible. My Lord and my Savior have plans to prosper me and not plans to bring harm to me. Keep working secretly. Whatever is done in the dark will always come into the light. For He will never leave me nor forsake me in my time of need. I began to trust and believe in His words deeply. Some would say that this girl right here, she got that good faith.